Now we're filming. Oh, look at that. There we go.
Back on the main event.
Shut up. Yours is tiny.
I've done my big work.
Yeah, I'm yet to do something that big. I don't think I ever will.
Yeah, I don't know how I did it.
Neither do I.
17 and mental.
You were 17 when you got that one done?
Yep.
I got the DTs, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Adrenaline.
Huh?
Adrenaline.
Yeah. Not covered mine over.
I'll be alright.
Yeah.
Take a couple of pictures as well.